Exercise number 1 and 2 are going to be discussed here for the preparation of receipts and payment. Exercise number 1 from the information given below, prepare receipts and payment account of Kurunji Sports Club for the year ended 31st December 2018. So we have to open the receipts and payment account here for the exercise number 1, receipts and payment account, receipts and payments account. So this will be the receipt side, this will be the payment side, receipt side and payment side. I will now record each and every item independently. Question is here, any for my reference I have the photocopy also. To cash in hand opening balance is named as balance brought down, cash, value being 4,000. We start with this opening cash balance and ends with closing cash balance in the payment side. Salaries paid, payment side, by salaries 3,000. Life membership fees received, receipt side, life membership fee received, membership fee, right, value being 10,000 is the receipt. Subscription received, receipt side, subscriptions received, value being 15,000. Rent received, receipt side la ponno, so rent received, value being 2,000. Then paid for printing charges, payment side la, printing charges. So printing charges kana payment 2,500. And lockers rent received, receipt side la locker rent pana varudhu, so locker rent received, value being 1,000. Tournament receipts should be recorded in the receipt side la. Tournament receipts, value being 14,000. Tournament expenses should be in the payment side. Tournament expenses, value being 10,500. Investments purchased, payment side la poirukano, so investments purchased pannirukkranga, investment purchased, value being 25,000, outflow of cash. Now I can tally this, very simple. 4 plus 10 plus 15, 29, 30, 40, 46,000 is the total value of the receipt side. 46,000, 25, 35, 38, 41, so 41, here 46, difference is 5,000. Closing balance named as balance carried down related to the cash. I hope so you could understand the preparation of receipts and payment. We will now go for the exercise number 2. Exercise number 2, right. Title na skip pandren, okay, I need space. From the information given below, prepare receipts and payment accounts of Coimbatore Cricket Club for the year ending 31st March 2019. Bank overdraft, cash, let us start and record one by one. Bank overdraft, panam illa, balance and the sale over no. So by balance brought down, okay, which is nothing but bank overdraft, taken more than the amount available, so 6,000. Cash available here, so balance brought down, asset அப்படிங்கறனால நம்ம இங்கே டு போடுறோம். So இப்ப cash balance positive, bank balance negative, right? So here it is 1,000. And next one is wages paid for ground maintenance, payment side la, wages for the ground maintenance, wages for ground maintenance, value being 2,000. Subscription received, எந்த வருஷத்துல இருந்தாலும் சரி வந்தால் receipt side la போட்டுக்கணும். So subscription received, value being 10,500, wages yet to be paid, தர வேண்டியது இருக்கு, outstanding, பணம் போகல, கையில இருந்து பணம் போகலன்னு receipts and payment account போடுறோம். பணம் வரவும் இல்லை போகவும் இல்லை அப்படியே பெண்டிங்கில் இருக்குது. யூ நோ நீட் டு பாதர், இட் வில் நாட் பி ரெக்கார்டட் ஹியர், இட் வில் பி ரெக்கார்ட் only in the income and expenditure account. So here you no need to record. So this is all about receipts and payment account. Okay, இந்த சைடில் ரெசிட் சைடு, இந்த சைடில் பேமெண்ட். பேமெண்ட்டும் ஆகலை, ரெசிட்ஸும் இல்லை, அதனால் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணல. இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் லோன் பெய்ட். ஸோ பேமெண்ட் சைடில் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் லோன் பெய்ட். ஸோ பேமெண்ட் சைடில் போட்டுக்கிறேன் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் லோன் பெய்ட். The value being 2000 rupees. And honorarium paid. Payment sale எழுதணும். So honorarium paid. Honorarium paid. The value being 2800. 2800. Water and electricity charges, of course expenses side போடணும். Payment side water and electricity charges. Water and electricity charges, right? Electricity charges. The value being 700. And match expenses, payment sale போடணும். Match expenses. Match expenses. The value being 2600. Match expenses. Sports material purchased. Purchased என்ன அர்த்தம்? உங்களுக்கு பேமெண்ட் ஆயிருக்கணும். So I'll write the value here. So sports material purchased. You might have paid for this. Value being 1900. Match fund receipts பணம் வருது. So match funds receipts. Receipts சைடில் போடணும். Receipts, the value being 5200. Legacies received பணம் வருது. So legacies received, legacy received, value being 2000. Cash balance should be recorded in the credit side here. So balance carried on for cash, value being 300. Donation received for pavilion should be in the receipt side. Okay, donation for pavilion construction, adala pavilion value being 2000 rupees. Value being 2000 rupees, right? If you tally, you will be getting the balance in the bank. That's negative balance or positive balance, we'll check here. So 10,500, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20,700 is the total here. So this is 2000, right? Okay, this is 2000 donation for the pavilion. 10, 15, 15, okay, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20,700. 20,700, right? 6, 10, 12, 13, 500, 15, 500, 1600, 17, 18, 300. 18, 300 na balance வந்து நமக்கு எவ்வளவு இருக்குன்னா 2,400 rupees we have, which is nothing but bank balance. Balance. We started with the negative bank balance but ended with the positive bank balance, right? Come on, copy this.